another amazing video that I have for you. Again, thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. I so appreciate it, as my main objective is to empower, to inspire, to share knowledge with all of you. So let's get inspired by eyeliner today. This is definitely one of my most treasured pieces of my look, as I always do a winged eyeliner. I've been doing it, I can honestly tell you, been using liquid eyeliner since probably I was in 8th grade. And at the time it was like the Almay felt tip little pen guy that I used to do, and you know, honestly that was fine because that was 8th grade. And now that I've been experimenting and really going about, I've really been all over the place with the eyeliners that I use, and I have a real, even though I don't have hooded eyes, I have a real issue when I try eyeliners that they actually transfer to my top lid, and that's obviously annoying when you have a beautiful shadowed lid, or not even shadowed lid, you have that transfer. Even I've tried some very expensive brands and they've transferred, and so I've just been like, can't do it. Can't do it. So before, my always classic, where is she, is I used to constantly use, oh, here she is, my girl. This was my standard before. Just gonna zoom in. Oh, she's not gonna zoom. It's the NYX. It's the NYX matte liquid. This was always my thing, but you know, it wasn't black enough, and then honestly, like, I would really have to it would fade and my line wouldn't be as dark. So I mean, this is fine, but it's just like you have to put a couple layers on and whatever. But honestly, this is great. I love how the tip is super precise. You can really get in this inner lid. So honestly, this is always gonna be in my makeup tool if I really wanna get a pristine, crisp line. Then I had actually found this product right here by Essence, and I absolutely loved it because it is so super dark. Probably the darkest liquid eyeliner I've ever had. But then it had like this little felt tip, which is cool. I like it. But for precision, really hard to get the precision. So I feel like these two were happening. But again, like, I wasn't 100% happy with this one, but it was the best yet. Then I kept seeing reviews for this product, the Inglot 77. So I decided to give this a try. You know, it is $16, so it's a little bit more expensive, as this one is $4. And this one is about, I think, $7. So this one being 16 was a big push for me. So I decided to give it a try, and I honestly really like it. It's super black. It really stays, and what I'm gonna do is then I'm gonna roll out the video of me putting it on, and then at the very end I'm actually gonna like refilm where you can see the entire day. So at the end of my day, I'm gonna film so you can see how it's held up. I mean, why not, right? So I honestly feel like this is my best go-to. So I'm really excited to have this. I'm excited that it's not super expensive, and from what I've heard from other reviews, if you really keep this cap on, because of course it'll dry out, I've actually kept this on it. I just flip it open to kind of maybe prevent some of that dry out, but some women have said that it's lasted them a year or so. I mean, we'll see. I mean, I use this every day, so we'll see how long this lasts. Honestly, if it even lasts 6 months, I am happy about that. So, all right, so let's get going to it. Here we go. Just like that. I am back after a solid 8 hours of my makeup on. And I will tell you, it's a little humid today, so for sure it wasn't like, so it definitely could have been compromised just due to the humidity today. And just, you know, my face is just a little not as dry as it normally is because it is pretty hot today. So let's just take a look at what's going on and how it is held up with my waterline, of course. Let's zoom on in. Let's zoom on in and let's turn the light up a little bit. So here we go. Looks pretty good. The only thing, I mean, honestly, it's like I've never had a product actually last better than this with the waterline, is that it just gets a little like smudgy, but honestly, I cannot think of a product that I honestly wouldn't do that after like 8 hours. But it still looks really great, and I'll close my eyes. It's not even like smudged or even it's retained. It's blacker than black color, and it's just dreamy. Whoa. Yeah, so honestly, I absolutely love this product. And, oh, let me turn this down just a little bit. So, honestly, this is great. Go get it. I love it. It's my new fave. I'm excited to see how long this one little tube thing is going to last, since I will be using it literally every day of my life, as this is my signature winged look. And I'm really excited to actually really experiment with going like with different styles of wing eyeliner, because honestly it's like I do this every day, and every day I do it just a little bit differently, and honestly it's generally not by choice. It's something like I got a little, you know, maybe loose with it, and I'm like, well, I'm stuck with the look. So that's like the beauty of eyeliner. You just go with it, and honestly it's like it's never that bad where you would actually have to just redo your makeup. You just match the other eye to either be a little thicker one day or a little thinner, whatever look that you're looking for. So again, thank you so much everyone for watching this video. Let me know if you have this. It actually comes in an array of colors, and I'm kind of tempted to maybe get it in like a blue. I love blue eyeliner. Yes, I do, like electric blue. So let me know if you have this in another color. Do you love it? And you know, let's just keep the positivity rolling amongst everybody and uplift everybody in the process of everyone being as fabulous as they possibly can. So thank you. Please leave me a comment down below, and we will see you soon.